fun and a pound of joy make a nice present for a girl or boy. A cup of goodness and a cup of love really are gifts from heaven above. A pinch of holly and a pinch of pine. Now we know it's Christmas time. We definitely know because it's in the air, right? Yes, it's once again that time of the year where the Christmas is already in the air. The twinkling lights have started appearing on the windows of the homes and the preparations of the holiday season has already started. So how can we be behind? We also got to prepare for the holiday season, and this workshop will help you with just that. And in this workshop we will be painting some absolutely cute and adorable ornaments. I love ornaments because ornaments on Christmas trees, they speak the story of that family, they speak the story of the home, what they love, the messages or the things they stand for. And among all the beauty that is captured through ornaments on the Christmas trees, I personally love where people bring in their favorite animals, either their pets or their spirit animals, and showcase them through their ornaments. So that is why I chose this theme. We will be learning how to paint the cuteness of the cats, to the adorableness of the dogs, to the mystery of the owl, and some naughtiness through the goats. And we will be capturing these animals on our ornaments through very in-depth acrylic painting lessons. We will first get started with learning the techniques that we'll be using to paint these ornaments, and we will know and understand all the materials also that we'll be using to paint these ornaments. The materials are very few, hardly 4 colors we use, and they are very simple and easy to find as well. After we know all the techniques and the materials, we will move further and we will be learning the drawings step by step, and then we will be moving ahead to learn the paintings of these animals step by step on these ornaments. We will be including little elements on these animals like the Christmas hats and the bows and some snow here and there to bring in the essence of the season. But if you are watching this class and you are not in the Christmas season, you can also use the same process to create these animals on canvases and enjoy painting these with me. And while you're working on this entire workshop, you are never ever alone. I'm always there to answer your questions, to help you out, and most of all, I will really be looking forward to your final creations as well. So if you would like to share with me your work in progress, your techniques practice, even your final creations, I will be more than happy to check them out. And if you need any feedback, of course I'm there for that as well. So yes, with that, let's capture the air of the season. Let's get into the holiday season and let's get started with capturing our favorite cute animals. So I will see you there further in the class. Till then, bye and happy creating. Bye.